Yes, finally, it's paper shotgun number 5. How to make it. Anyways, let's start. Okay, we last left off here with the putting this part on or something like that. And I'm just doing this from memory since I don't quite remember how to do this very well. So, where were we? Oh yes, had something to do with taking this tube and, wrapping it around. So, let's do that. But first, I'll lower my tripod so that you can get a better view. Anyways, the sheet of paper and my hands. So basically, just roll the small sheet up, okay, and give it some tape. Okay, now take the small tube out. Make sure you don't take it out all the way. Okay. So do it like this and tape the two together. One more. Okay. And now, basically what we're doing is we're making the mechanism for opening and closing the shell door thing. So anyways, place your first and your primary tube and your secondary tube like this, okay? So in comparison to everything else, like this. So just about in between, more to the door part. And now tape most of it, except for leaving one part out. So start taping from where this begins and ends. So about here, okay? Alright, and just keep taping it to the right of it, but don't tape to the left. Alright, same for the other side. Let's see, 2 more. Okay. Once you've got that secured, we are ready to make the mechanism. So, in order to make the pump thing, from what I remember, you do it like this. Okay, it was like this. Take the paper, fold it like this, and then fold it like this, fold it in half again, and now take a little nub and fold it in like this, open it up, fold this one inwards, and there. Okay, so far we have the mechanism and the whole shotgun so far. So, how do you do it? It's simple. Now all you have to do is tape the pump thing together as shown here. Let's see, now insert the pump thing into this tube. Okay. Make sure that it slides quite easily. And now, in the open position, which is right before touching this one, or right when it's touching, make sure that this part, the sliding part, is like aligned to this line right here. Okay. And then after that, simply tape the two together, just like this. Okay. And make sure that the mechanism works quite well. Okay, it works pretty well, I guess. And now, at this point, we are going to make the stock, the back, since we're already done with the front. So anyways, this is how you make it. Now, make a tube that seems just about big enough to fit through this hole right here. So maybe this big should be good. Make sure it's even. Tape it. Okay. And now add this part into the pump. Okay, like this, but don't tape it here. You should tape it around here. So tape one just before the part for the inserting the shell ends. So about right here. And basically at this point, this is the end of part 5, and I'm gonna have to make a part 6.